In food and beverage production, delays are not an option. This is why you need a supply partner that has exactly what you need when you need it. At Nelson-Jameson, we've spent decades solely dedicated to serving food and beverage processors just like you. The result? A comprehensive catalog of more than 80,000 products from over 1,000 trusted manufacturers. To ensure simple, dependable delivery, we operate from a network of 5 SQF-Certified food-safe distribution centers, and our award-winning fleet maintains a secure chain of custody from our dock to yours. For the needs most consistent and time-sensitive, we offer inventory management programs, including industrial vending and storeroom management to keep your supplies organized, stocked, and always within reach. And we know just as well as you, equipment doesn't maintain itself. When you need service or repair, our trained technicians can be deployed on-site to keep your operation running with minimal downtime. But what truly makes Nelson-Jameson the go-to supplier for food and beverage manufacturers? When you call us, you talk to real people who understand food processing inside and out, even providing free consultation on recipe development and production efficiency. We'll be with you every step of the way. This is Nelson-Jameson. Our goal is to deliver the exceptional every single time.